Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Pankaj Walecha and today we're going to talk to you about knee osteoarthritis. Now what is osteoarthritis? It's nothing but the erosion of the knee joint. Now every joint is coated by a fibrous connective tissue, we call it the cartilage. If you see the knee joint, this is the thigh bone and this is the leg bone. The ends of the bones which make the joint are coated by this fibrous connective tissue, which is smooth and it gives you pain-free mobility in the joint. It also protects the knee joint against an impact. It has a cushioning effect on the knee joint. There is another component called the synovial fluid or the joint fluid, which is viscous and acts like a lubricating fluid for the movement of the knee joint. Now, why does the osteoarthritis develop? Usually it is because of the advancing age that the quality of the synovial fluid and the quality of the cartilage starts becoming poor. The synovial fluid is usually rich in hyaluronic acid, it is viscous, it is elastic. But as the age advances, the concentration of the hyaluronic acid decreases and it becomes less viscous and less elastic. So the cartilage starts becoming weak and starts flaking off. That's how the osteoarthritis develops. Earlier we used to see patients of the age of 50 years and above coming to us with arthritic changes. But these days we are seeing a lot of younger patients coming to us with knee arthritis. We call them young arthritic knees. Now why is that happening? It could be due to many reasons. One is having a ligament injury which may happen in sports or having a fracture which goes right into your knee joint. It can start the process of osteoarthritis at the site of injury. But most commonly, we see patients coming because of the misuse or overuse of their knee joint, especially people who are overweight or obese. They impact or load their cartilage much more than a normal individual. So how do we identify, how do we manage a patient who comes to us with a very early arthritis or a stage 1 arthritis? Now in such patients, when we do the x-rays, usually the x-ray is normal. The joint space between the thigh bone and the leg bone is equal, which tells us that there is no erosion of the cartilage, but the cartilage has become soft, and that's why these patients come to us with a history of a vague pain or sometimes discomfort in the knee joint, which typically happens when they are standing or walking for a prolonged duration. After thoroughly examining their knee, we diagnose that it is nothing but a very early phase of knee osteoarthritis or stage 1. Friends, this is totally reversible. If at this stage you visit your doctor, by giving you some lifestyle modifications, this process can be reversed. So what should you do? Number 1, a healthy lifestyle, which means good sleep, good nutrition, and of course avoiding smoking and alcohol. It is generally bad for the health of the body, so it's bad for the health of the joint also. If you maintain a good exercise routine, then you keep your body weight under check as well. If you're not overweight, your life of your knee joint increases. But the most important fact is to do regular knee exercises. Friends, muscles are the dynamic stabilizers of the joint. So they give stability to your knee joint, they give strength to your knee joint. And if you do regular knee exercises, you enjoy what we call painless mobility with good stability.